Computers are great at storing information. It's kind of the whole reason they exist. Hi, I'm Ryan, and today we're going to build a functional inventory tracker using Google Sheets, and then I'll show you how to solve the human error gap that spreadsheets often create. The example I'm going to use is video equipment for a professional shoot, but you can adapt this system to record any inventory you need to keep track of. Let's start with a clean slate. You need these 6 headers to maintain a basic audit trail: item name, category, serial number, status, assigned to, and return date. I recommend freezing this top row by going to View, Freeze, one row, so your headers stay put as your list grows. To keep your data consistent, we'll use a drop-down menu for the status column. Select the column, go to Data, then Data Validation. We'll add 3 options: in studio, on location, and in repair. This prevents team members from typing different variations of the same status, which would break your filters later. Now we can add a simple logic gate here. Set a conditional formatting rule for the return date column. If the date is before today, highlight the cell in red. This gives you an immediate visual cue for overdue gear. Now, this setup works perfectly for a solo creator or a very small team. It's free, it's organized, and it's a massive step up from your brain, where you're probably already trying to remember a million other things. But here's the friction point. Google Sheets is a passive tool designed for financial accounting. It won't ping your director of photography to remind them the C70 is due back, and it won't alert you when a lens needs its 6 months maintenance check. All the gear lives in one long list, and creating filters takes manual effort. If you're managing a team, you're still doing the heavy lifting of chasing people down. This is where GQueues comes in to fix those manual gaps. Instead of a static list, GQueues turns your inventory into an active workflow. We can set recurring tasks for equipment maintenance, like sensor cleanings, and assign checkout tasks directly to specific crew members with hard deadlines. Because it integrates natively with your Google Workspace, those return gear dates automatically sync to your team's calendar and send push notifications. You aren't just tracking the gear, you're automating the accountability. Whether you stay in Sheets or move to a dedicated tool, the goal is the same: protecting your investment. If you try out GQueues, you'll find it easier to do the admin tasks, like tracking inventory, freeing up more of your time to craft your masterpiece, or whatever your real job may be. Check the link in the description for a free trial, and be sure to subscribe for more productivity tips.